I have some runner beans. I've diced it, washed it. Everything has been washed and clean. I've got bell peppers. I've got the red and the yellow. I've got some garlic, some red onion. I've sliced it. I've got some mushroom, the button mushroom, cherry tomatoes, and we have our grated. Ooh, I just love this. I absolutely love cauliflower. Love grated cauliflower, guys. Pardon me, guys, where are my manners? Ooh, guys, welcome to It's Gotta Be Done. On this channel, guys, I talk about all things health and well-being, and I bring you guys quick, simple, easy recipes to follow. And today, guys, I have a beautiful simple recipes for you to follow. It's filled with protein, it's filled with nutritional, beneficial, full of antioxidant. You know, when I bring my recipes, guys, I like to make sure that each recipe has value added, you know, like it adds value to your nutritional body. So guys, in today's recipe we are making cauliflower with basically some vegetables. Quick, simple, guys. If you wanted to change the vegetables that I'm using, you can do it. So if you don't like mushroom, use something else, you know, use something that you would like. But right now, guys, I've oiled the pan, and what I've used is olive oil. If you didn't want to use olive oil because it might not be everybody's preference, you can use coconut oil. You can use the spray oil that you use, or you don't even have to use any oil at all. Just make sure that everything is shallow and it doesn't burn. Okay, you don't even have to use oil for this recipe. So guys, all I've done is on the pan I've mixed my onion, I've slowly fried them, then I've added my runner beans. You know, they are absolutely, runner beans are really nice. They are high protein. It hasn't got that much calories. If you're looking out for calories, it contributes to, you know, the protein contributes to the maintenance of the muscle mass and normal bones function. So it's extremely good. So if you think you're gonna get your protein from vegetables, well, here you can. That's just the vegetable seasoning, by the way. So all I've done is, and that's garlic and chili. I wanted a bit of spice for this recipe. So all we have right now, we've got a melody of our vegetables. You know, we don't want to overcook the vegetables. We want to cook them to a nice firm texture, because we still want, you know, when you eat a bowl of vegetable, you don't want it to be soft. You still want to have the crunch, you know, because everything has been chopped, so it cooked fairly quick. So this will literally cook for no more than 10 minutes. Okay, so all I'm doing now is I'm just slowly tossing and turning everything. We've got in here mushroom, we've got our runner beans, we've got bell peppers, our cherry tomatoes, our onion, a bit of, you know, seasoning we add in, and we add in a bit of garlic, a bit of chili flake, you know, just for that extra spice, that extra flavor. Like I always say to you guys, everything to your own taste and liking. So guys, make sure that you do it to your own taste and liking. So I hope you are enjoying what I'm sharing with you guys. So make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you are enjoying this recipe. This is such a simple recipe, guys. Absolutely easy to follow, and it goes down a treat. Okay, absolutely go down a treat. I'm now gonna add my cauliflower. Guys, it's so easy to grate your cauliflower. All you need is a cheese grater. Wash and clean your cauliflower and grate it. You know, if you don't want to put it on here, you can even put it in the oven if you wanted to have it a bit more of a crispy taste. But all I'm gonna do now, because it's grated, the cauliflower won't take long to cook. So I'm just adding cauliflower to the top of all the veg, and I'm just going to slowly turn. At this point, guys, have the heat on medium low. You don't want to have the heat on high, because it's just going to burn the pan, and you don't want to burn it. You just want the cauliflower to, you see that little burn there? Can you see in the corner? You don't want it to burn, so have it on medium low and just slowly cook the cauliflower for no more than 5 minutes. This will literally cook for no more than 5 minutes, guys. Okay, literally this is a quick simple recipe, and also that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to keep flipping it until I can see that okay, the cauliflower has blended well with all my veg and the seasoning, and I'll just leave it to rest for a few minutes. I'm just going to add a parsley. Guys, if you're able to have fresh parsley, obviously always go with the fresh ingredient, but you know, this is a quick recipe, so why not the dry one? My food is cooked and ready to eat, so I'm just going to serve up, guys. And this is it. It's basically a melody of vegetables with cauliflower rice, and I'm going to sprinkle a bit of cheese in a bit. So if you don't want to add the cheese and you don't want the dairy, you can find vegan cheese, or you don't even have to add the cheese. But I was being a bit naughty. I hope you have enjoyed the video, guys. So stay tuned for more quick, simple, delicious recipes, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me tuck in. Like, this is so flavorsome and delicious, guys. Okay, bye.